Alright, hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video I've been so excited to make because I just barely got this package. I got a reel, I got a brand new reel. I think it's funny. Do not open with knife. I'm going to open it with a knife. Just be super careful. Alright. You can see that. I got a Shimano Curado DC. As some of you might know, I have the SLX DC, which I don't have it in here right now, but I ordered this and I got it finally today. I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. This is the first time I've ever actually gotten a reel in the box. Well, actually no, I can't. No, I've gotten one other, but this is the first. This is the first bait caster I've ever gotten in the actual package. So this is just shows the parts of the reels, and then this just talks about the adjustment knob, which I already know. I've owned a bait caster. Comes with Bantama oil. I don't know how you say that, but ooh, I'm so happy. All right. Oh, that looks. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, dude, I love that. And so I'm gonna be putting I think 15-pound braid. Let me grab it. Yes, I'm gonna be putting 15-pound 8-strand braid Guggen Squad, and I'm gonna be pairing it with Guggen Squad Gold Series go-to rod. Get a better angle for this. Dang, look at that. Dude, that looks amazing. So it is, I forgot, what is this? I think it's 7 foot. 7 foot medium fast Guggen Squad go-to green rod with a Shimano Curado DC. Dude, this is awesome. I'll get a close-up shot. Alright, so if you guys, I'm going to be spooling the Shimano Curado on the Guggen Squad series go-to rod, green series. So if you don't know how to spool a bait caster, I mean, this is just how I know how to do it. There might be better ways out there, but I just take this, I set it on the ground, and I just let it go. I just let it go, I just let it unspool however it wants. So I put it through the first eye, and then I just feed it, into the reel. And then on most bait casters, there's a little hole on the reel itself. Come on. There's a hole out past it, right there, and I tie it. I either tie it around it or I tie it in, or I like put it in there and then start reeling. But for this one, I'm gonna tie it around the spool first, just to ensure that I don't mess up. Alright, so I got it. It's in there, it's tied. And then just start reeling. I always keep my finger on the line right before it goes into the reel, just to be safe that it stays tight, and just to ensure that it's super tight when it goes in. And I normally go, so right now there's not very much on there. I normally keep reeling till there's a decent amount on the spool itself. I'm probably gonna call that good. There's a decent amount on there. So next, I need to get a new tripod. This tripod sucks. Alright, make sure you're zoomed out. I don't want to zoom in. And then I just cut it, feed it through the eyes, and then I normally tie a swivel on. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, I'd really appreciate the follow, the subscribe.
2 hours later.
If you guys would subscribe and like this video and comment what you want me to do next. These next probably 3 or 4 videos, I'm gonna be camping. I'm leaving today. The day that I'm posting this, I'm leaving today to go camping for today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So hopefully I can get a video each day. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I'll be able to edit it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post it the day of recording it. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough Wi-Fi. So hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.